Today's recipe, it's a Moroccan tagine, vegetarian, vegan, is only vegetables, a lot kind of vegetables. You can use any kind of vegetables you have home for this tagine. The combination of all these vegetables give it a very, very good taste, and it's really delicious and nutritious. Stay with me to see all the steps to cook this amazing vegetarian Moroccan tagine. Enjoy! I'm using today zucchini, some carrots, potatoes, some white turnips, tomatoes, some peppers, whatever color you have, some onions, Brussels sprouts, some broccoli, and some cauliflower, garlic, parsley, olive oil and full seasoning, salt, pepper, turmeric, ginger, and some chili powder or cayenne pepper if you like your food a little bit spicy. And you can use any vegetables you have. You combine any vegetables you have in your kitchen. On medium heat or low, you put your tagine. I put some olive oil. If you don't have the tagine, you can use your regular pot, whatever pot you cook in, or a skillet. Put olive oil. Add the onions and tomatoes together. Mix them together. Close this tagine, cover it until the onions and tomatoes start changing in color. For the vegetables, as you see here, the potatoes, I cut them long like that, each one in four. The turnips, the same way. We try to cut the vegetables almost the same size like that. When you put them in the tagine, they be almost the same size and they look beautiful also. And we do the same thing for the zucchini. I cut each one on 8 pieces. The carrots, I will do the same thing also. I will cut them in length, like 2 to 4 pieces or 8, depend on the length of the carrots. And here we prepare spices, the mixture of spices we will put our vegetables, salt, black pepper, turmeric, ginger, the garlic that I said in the beginning, and some parsley. Parsley, usually if I have a lot, I cut it like that and I put it in the freezer like that. Whenever I need to use it, I have it. If you have the fresh one, you can use it also. Some olive oil here and a little bit of water to mix these spices together. You can add more water because these spices we will put the vegetables on it before that we put them on the tagine to cook, like that each kind of vegetable have the spices on it and be so flavorful. Also for this tagine, if you have the green peas, you can add them. If you have sweet potatoes, also in Morocco we add the preserved lemon. If you don't have it, you can use slices of lemon in the end. For the vegetables, as I said, each time we won't put them on the tagine, we pass them on this sauce like that, this marinade or spices. Before that we put them in tagine. I will do the same thing for all the vegetables. Now, as you see here, the tomatoes and the onions simmer together and change color and texture. At this moment, we can add our vegetables, all of them, one by one, and we try to create a very nice pattern of colors. You be creative here. I started with carrots because it takes more time to cook. I put it in the bottom. Then the potatoes, and as I said earlier, I pass all the vegetables on the spices mixture before that I add them to the tagine. Some people don't do this, put all the vegetables, then get this mixture and put it on the top of all the vegetables. That's optional, however you like it, you do it. Here I add the cauliflower in the middle. Then I will do the same thing for all the other vegetables until that I finish. Then we add the turnip, and the turnip gives a very good taste to this tagine. If we like turnip, this is a very good idea to make it on tagine. Then you know a green color, that's zucchini. Zucchini, as we know, don't take that much time to get cooked. Then we put it on the top. See all these nice colors together, very nice. Then you know the rest of the carrots, only to give a very nice contrast of colors. On the top I'm adding the Brussels sprouts after I pass them on the mixture of spices also. And then the broccoli in the end. It has a very nice vibrant green color, very nice color. And I have some red peppers. We put them also on the top. You can be very creative with your vegetables and colors. You use any peppers you have. I will add the rest of the spice. I add a little bit of water here, and I add the spices like that on the top. Okay, we will cover now the tagine, leave it cook slowly, and you check from time to time if you need any water, you add a little bit. As we know, the vegetables release their own liquid. We don't add nothing, no water, until that we see if we need some or not. That's our tagine ready to eat. It's done. All the vegetables very soft. I added in the end some preserved lemon. That's optional. For the spices also, some people add cumin and paprika. And also you can replace all the spices that I did with curry powder. Some people use it. I tried it before with the curry powder. It was really delicious. Whatever spices you have, you can use it. That's a very healthy way of cooking. You cook it slow, and it's all vegetarian, gluten-free, vegan, Mediterranean. It's really delicious and nutritious. Try it and let me know in the comments how did you like it. Thank you for watching, and bon appetit. Enjoy. صحة وراحة.